What's going on, YouTube? Another banger at you. Today we're going to teach you guys how to make a TikTok video on Adobe Premiere, make it look good, everything like that. This actually took me a while to figure out because it wasn't really a good generic video. I did end up finding one, took forever, but I'm going to post one for you guys. Going on, YouTube? Jaytime back at it again. Today I'm going to make a quick video on how to make a TikTok video, because when I tried back in the day, there was no real videos on how to get your aspect ratio, everything correct. So let's get started. Basically, you're going to need Premiere Pro and After Effects, which I do have a video where you can get those for free. I'll put the link in the description. If you haven't checked that out, check it out. So basically, you're going to want to start with Premiere. You're going to want to open them up. You're going to want to open up After Effects and Premiere. So you're going to want a new, okay, yes, on Premiere Pro. Let it load, and then basically on After Effects, you just want to have it just sitting here, okay? So now you're going to want to go File, New, Sequence. Now, basically what this is going to do is it's going to let us make the video 1080 by 1920, which gives that aspect ratio of a TikTok. So Settings, Editing Mode, ARRI Cinema. Frame size 1080 by 1920. Okay, now this is your TikTok. That's okay. Boom. Now we got it in. So you're gonna want to grab your clip or your video or whatever. For this video, for this tutorial, I'm basically just gonna use a gaming video. So I'm just gonna cut this here. Basically, I'm gonna make an editing video with Premiere as well, but if you have your clip, you would throw it in here, it would pop up here. Now you see these black bars, that's perfect, that's what we want. Now if you do want to change how big and small these black bars are, because we're going to make this look blurred, but you could go here on this. So what you could do is click your clip, scale, you can click and hold and drag up or down. You see, so if you just want it full, you can, but we're going to do just the black bars today. I'm going to show you how to blur it out. So we have the clip here.
Yeah, Brody.
You said what? Looks great, right? I'm not going to show you guys the clip because you guys don't care. But so boom, there's the clip. Now what we got to do is right click, replace with After Effects composition. Now After Effects is going to come up. You're just going to want to save it as an untitled, and then basically now it's in After Effects, as you can see here. So now when we're working on this clip in After Effects, it's going to real time change it in here, and as you can see, that's why there's a red bar here, meaning that you're working on it in After Effects. Okay, so this basically is just your rendering. I usually put this on half, but it doesn't really matter. So first thing you're gonna do, click this, Control C, copy, Control V, paste. Now you have both the two clips in this project. You're gonna want to take the second clip, you're gonna want to click and hold and hold shift and drag that like that. Okay? This is what
Brody.
right?
You said what?
So not too bad. But we're gonna go up here to effects. Once it loads up here. Okay, there we go. Now in here you're gonna want to type in blur. Radical flash blur is the one I use, but you can go through here and just see which one you like. But you're gonna want to take this and throw it on that second clip. So now,
Yeah, Brody.
as you can
You
see,
said what?
You got your girl with you?
Fuck no, what the fuck? Who did?
Oh, I'm about to tell her hop in the car with a
Nice,
real nigga.
right? Perfect. Now, what I also do, I'm gonna kind of do a separate tutorial on how to do the lettering up here. I do flaming lettering and stuff like that. It goes through the video. But basically, now if we go back to Premiere, as you can see, bada bing, bada boom. There's your TikTok video. Now, what I like to do is File, Export Media. And I like to change this to Adaptive High Bitrate. Okay? Output name, you can click this, set it to your desktop, TikTok, right? And then use maximum render quality, make sure that's checked. Okay? Frame sampling, you want to go optical flow. Export. and boom, there you go. Once this export, your video will be good to go on your desktop, ready to upload TikTok. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to make effects on the TikToks, you know, your lettering, kind of anything you guys want. I'm going to be uploading quite a bit, just kind of showing you guys how to work around Adobe Premiere and After Effects. If you like the video, smash the like button. Join my Discord. There's lots of good stuff in my Discord. And have a great day, guys. Catch you on the next one.